Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Trendiest Mesmerizing, and today I show you in this video so beautiful, stylish and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, many much more ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With trendy and latest ideas of haircut. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye. And many much more beautiful and stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Too short, wave and curls on hair. Some ideas. Natural curl on hair. Some ideas. Make curl. And make curls with curler and small straightener. And very beautiful ideas of curly hairstyle, different ideas of, mostly ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike, and some ideas on the spikes on hair, some ideas spiky hairstyle with undercut. And so attractive collection of messy hairstyle, different ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas, funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights in low maintenance hairstyle, blonde color, burgundy color, and some ideas, funky colors, ash gray color, with different ideas of base color, trendy ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step, mostly ideas in undercut. and many much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll start back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.